Welcome to DelphStack. Today, I will show you how to fix the security certificate error on your Android phone using simple steps. Now, the first thing you want to make sure is that you simply check your date and time. If your date and time are wrong, this error can appear. To fix this, go ahead and open the Settings app on your Android device. Then, scroll and find an option like General Management or Additional Settings. Keep in mind that every Android brand has different placement of features, so you may need to find the exact option according to your mobile phone. In Additional Settings, tap on Date and Time. Here, turn on Automatic Date and Time. This will sync your phone with the correct time. Once done, go back and check if the issue is solved. If the problem is still there, it might be related to your browser. For example, if you are using Google Chrome, go back to Settings and open Apps or App Management. Then find and select Google Chrome from the list. Tap on it and go to the Storage section. Here, tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the issue. Thanks for watching.